recording.
Mummy,
Do you know what that is, Poppy? Jewellery box.
我是二有玩 for Christmas one. And it's Ariel.
Ignore the photo because I
And
like
it's
to
Ariel.
disguise it.
And it's Ariel.
That's mine.
I know I had to do it like that, otherwise you would have known what it was. I couldn't find anything else that would flatten it out. Any ideas yet? I just want to give them.
Well, it's not a PS4.
Is it supposed to be?
Mm.
Can I open this one? It's mine. Can I open this one? It's mine.
Not yet, because I haven't
Hold on,
opened none
Pop.
of Neville's
I'm
mummy.
sure it's supposed to be.
Or you or I That one says 2 Poppy 2.
Oh, if it's broken, got to take it back then.
That one says 2 Poppy 2. That one says 2 Poppy 2.
It's like pass the parcel, but just one person, isn't it?
Mine. Poppy. 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 Mom, this is 2 Poppy.
What?
Mom.
Toy one.
No. Real ones.
Real one.
Real ones to put on your car.
No, I mean actually registered number plate.
Register number
Registered
plate.
number plate.
What do you get money for that?
It
Don't
doesn't matter where
ask.
I've got the-
Don't ask.
Seriously?
Seriously,
You can't.
Whoa.
I have.
That's ridiculous.
I would have got you the F855, but it was like £3,000 more. So.
This.
The one on the saddle was.
Mummy, whose is this? Whose is this?
I'll go and get the other one.
Whose is